Did you know that one 28-year-old trader destroyed a bank that was older than America itself? Nick Leeson was living like a king in Singapore. Fancy cars, expensive dinners, and respect from everyone at Barings Bank. But behind the scenes, he was running the most sophisticated financial con in history. Leeson created a secret account numbered 88,888. Every time he lost money on risky trades, he hid the losses there. When bosses in London asked for reports, he sent fake documents showing fake profits. The losses kept growing. 1 million became 10 million, then 100 million. Leeson was like a gambler doubling down on every bet, desperately trying to win back what he lost. Then disaster struck. A massive earthquake hit Japan and Leeson's bets went horribly wrong. In one weekend, executives discovered he had hidden $1.3 billion in losses. Leeson tried to flee the country, but German police caught him at the airport. 233 years of history destroyed by one man's lies.